Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add VAT or added value tax in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your admin panel in WordPress so we can be able to start configuring or setting up our WooCommerce so that we be able to enable the tax uh, calculation. And basically, we need just to go to your WooCommerce plugin, and after that, we need just to go to settings. And from the settings, we will need just to go to here in the general settings. And basically, here we have general and other tabs, but we are interested here in the general. After that, we will be needing to start enabling the tax rates in calculation. So now that we have the tax enabled, we will need to save the changes first. And as you can see now that after we have enabled the taxes, we will be able to start adding setting up our taxes. And as you can see, now you can either include your taxes, etc., or calculate your tax based on something, the shipping tax, etc. And now you will be able to add your VAT taxes into your product. And as you can see, we can go to the tax option and we can find the taxes. And basically, you can just insert a new tax and you can have a country code, state code, and having a tax rate for this tax. And then you can name it a VAT tax and you can start allowing it or assigning it to your products. So basically, this is how you can do it. And thank you for watching and see you next time.